Okay class, welcome back. So our next lesson is about, let's check ano ba yung next lesson natin. So we are finished with constants. We are now in PHP operators now. So we are going to be discussing several types of operators now. So marami tayong kinds of operators used in our PHP. We have arithmetic operators, assignment, comparison, increment, decrement, logical, string operators, no? Okay, initially mag-start muna tayo sa arithmetic operators, no? So, ang ating arithmetic operators, we have several kinds of arithmetic operators. Pag sinabi natin arithmetics, of course, ang unang papasok sa isip natin, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ang ating PHP gumagamit ng mga ganitong arithmetic operators para makapaggawa tayo ng mga mathematical equations. For example, if we want to add the value of two variables, let us say we have two variables. Let's declare two variables, num1, tapos ang kanyang value is 3, okay? And we have num2, who have the value, for example, 2. Okay? Kung gusto natin class add-in ang value ng dalawang variable nito, we use the arithmetic operators addition for addition. Okay? So we just simply code, okay, num1 plus num2. Okay? Tapos pag in-echo natin siya, of course echo, before we echo this, now we need to store these two variables inside another variable, no, that will contain the product of these two. That will contain the sum of these two variables. So lagay natin dito, gawa tayo addition variable name. Okay, so ang ating addition variable name will be the container for these two variables whose values we are gonna add. Okay, so if we echo out addition, okay, we save it, go back to our server, refresh. Okay, we have the answer 5. Okay, dahil ang value ni 1 ni num1 ay 3 at ang value ni 2 ay 2. Okay, ni num2 ay 2. We added these two variables and placed them inside the addition variable container. We echo out addition and we got the value 5 now. So, ganun din naman sa other arithmetic operators like subtraction. No? So, if we want to, let's change the variable here to operator. Okay? Tapos gawin din natin itong operator. If we want to subtract these two variables, no, we just use the subtraction sign. Okay? We refresh it. Okay, we get 1. If we want to multiply, we just simply use the operator asterisk now for multiplication. Save, refresh here. Okay, we got 6 because 3 times 2 is 6. If we want to divide, we use division. Okay, if we save, we get 1.5. Okay, because 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So that's it for our arithmetic operators. Next, we have what we call as assignment operators. No? So we have assignment operators. So, ang ginagawa ng assignment operators, for example, we have this line of statement. Let us say we have the variable x. Okay, tapos we assign it with a value, for example 5. Okay, so next, if we want to add a number 3 to x, no, and the value should also be placed in the same variable x. So x is equals to x plus 3. So ang gusto natin mangyari, dagdagan natin ng value 3 itong original value, which is 5, no, and place the sum the computed sum on the same variable. So, ganito yung kanyang itsura, no? X is equals to x plus 3. Itong x na ito contains the value 5, okay? Tapos, we are going to be adding number 3 to the value of this x and placing the computed sum to the variable x, no? So, pagka in-echo natin siya, echo x, okay, we save it, we refresh this, okay, we have 8 now. But using assignment operators, no, we can shorten it, no, we can shorten it. By the way, the first assignment operator is the single equal sign. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, we are assigning this value to this particular variable name. That's it for the first assignment operator. Next, instead of writing this, no, this is very long, no, using other assignment operators like this one, plus equal 3, we will get the same result as this, no, instead of writing this. So this is like the compressed form of this one, no. So if we erase this, we save it, we will get the same result, which is number 8, no. So ganun din naman if we want to use other arithmetic operators, no. If we want to subtract the initial value of x to 3, we use minus equals, save, okay, naging 2 siya, no, because 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. If we want to multiply it, we save it, okay, 15, okay, ganun din naman sa division, okay. So that's it for our assignment operators. Next, we have what we call as the comparison operators. Sa comparison operators naman, class, we use this to compare the value of two variables, no, we use this to compare the value of two variables. So if we have two variables, for example x and y, and we assign the value 4 to y, no, we can use compare what's called again, the comparison operators. So for example, we can use x equals y, okay, but since the value of y is not equal to the value x, hindi siya tama, ano, so this would result to false, no, kasi hindi naman talaga equal si x kay y. But if we use the greater than sign, this line of statement will be proven as true because x is in fact greater than sign number 4, no. Kung gagawin natin na y is less than x, this will also be considered as true because y of course is less than 4, no. Okay, so that's it for our comparison operators, and we have other operators such as the increment and decrement, no. So ginagawa ng increment at decrement class, ginagawa ng increment and decrement operators, yes, increment, and we have decrement, they just simply add 1 or decrease 1 to your variable, no, to the value of your int variable. So let's say we have a variable num and we assign it 3, no. If we want to increase the value of this variable to 1, we just simply use the increment operator, plus plus. So ito yung ating increment operator. This is used to add 1 to the value of your variable. So if we echo this out, num, so instead of outputting 3, which is the original value of this variable, since dinagdagan na natin siya ng isa using the increment operator, magiging 4 na siya. If we however want to decrease the number, if we want to decrease the value of this variable, we use the decrement operator, double dash for the decrement operator. Okay, so instead of 3, naging 2 na siya. Okay, Next, we have what we call as the, we are finished with increment and decrement. We have the logical and string operators. So basically class, itong ating logical operators, magagamit natin siya when we are in our if-else statement. No? So ang ginagawa lang class ng logical operators, these are used to prove if conditions are true or false. No? So if we have a condition here, condition, and we use the AND, logical AND operator, so ampersand for AND, no? We have two conditions, no? So iraran lang to statement nito if this condition is true and if this condition is true. If however this one condition, if however this condition is false and this condition is true, this will not be run, ano? So lalo na pagka parehas silang false, ano? So this line of statement, these two conditions would only be executed if both of them are proven to be true, no? Provided logical AND operator yung ginamit natin. If we use the logical OR operator, this can be executed kung parehas ang value nila ay true or at least one of the conditions are proven to be true. Kung itong condition nito ay true and this condition is false, no? They will still be executed, no? Okay? Next, we have what we call as the string operator, no? So, ang string operator natin, we have what we call the concatenation operator, whose symbol we use is the period, no? So, for example, we want to echo out hello. Okay? Tapos, we echo out a break line, no? Break line. Then we echo out, let's say, there. Okay? Hello there. We save it now. And if we refresh it here, we have, there seems to be a problem. What could it be? Hello. Okay. See. What seems to be the problem here? Wait a minute. Here. No termination sign. So that's very important to take into consideration. No? So, hello there. No? So, pwede naman natin class pag we can incorporate these two text statements into one using the string operator. So, ang ginagawa lang ng string operator or the concatenation operator is to add two strings together. So, instead of writing two text statements separately, we can add them together using this concatenation operator. So, hello there. No? So hindi na natin sila kahit hindi na paghiwalay na, no? Pwedeng pagsamahin na. We save it and we refresh it. We have hello there. Okay? So, let's just add a space here. Okay? We save it. Okay, class. So, that's it for our PHP operators, and I will see you guys in our next lesson.